Lose 10 pounds in a month. 50 pounds in 5 months. Diet and exercise regimen. Losing weight is exceedingly difficult for most people, but you will be surprised to learn that most people believe that they can lose 10 pounds in 1 month easily. The problem is that many people get discouraged when they think of how many pounds they must lose to reach their weight loss goals. In this video, I will show you how to lose 10 pounds in a month and to follow the same pattern to lose 50 pounds in 5 months. With all the conflicting philosophies, trends, and expert advice, it's no surprise that many people regard the idea of weight loss as formidable. The truth is, losing weight does not have to be complicated. There is a diet and exercise regimen that will allow you to lose 10 pounds in a month, and if you're disciplined enough to keep at it, you can even lose 50 pounds in 5 months. It will take some dedication and a willingness to make changes to your current lifestyle, but the guaranteed long-term results will be worth it. When you're ready to make the necessary changes for your healthiest body yet, your daily diet and exercise regimen should involve intermittent fasting, a high-protein diet, and high-intensity interval training workouts. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a diet pattern that involves avoiding or restricting calories, either at certain times of the day or certain days of the week. The most popular way to engage in intermittent fasting is to eat only within an 8-hour window daily. Many studies have proven the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss and overall health. Among the most informative one was a study review conducted by the U.S. National Institute on Aging on the research published by the New England Journal of Medicine in 2019. According to the study review, intermittent fasting works mainly because it reduces your total calorie intake. But more importantly, this diet pattern prompts the body to derive energy from ketones rather than glucose. That leads not just to an increase in fat-burning activity, but also enhanced cellular regeneration and protection from metabolic and oxidative stress. So fasting does not only allow you to lose weight and burn fat, but it also boosts your health on a cellular level. High-protein diet. Over the past few decades, many studies have been conducted on the effect of high-protein diets on weight loss. In a recent study published by Obesity Facts, researchers compared the effects of a high-protein diet to that of a standard protein diet. They found that both diets led to weight loss, a reduction of waist circumference, and an improvement in a variety of health biomarkers. But those who were more dedicated to a high-protein diet lost much more weight over a 3-month and 6-month period compared to those who followed a standard protein diet. To follow a high-protein diet, your daily protein consumption should add up to 0.61 grams of protein per pound of your body weight. So if you're about 170 pounds, your daily protein should total approximately 105 grams. High-intensity interval training. Both moderate-intensity continuous training, MOD, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can lead to weight loss and a reduction in body fat percentage. But according to a study published by the British Journal of Sports Medicine in 2019, HIIT leads to fat loss that's 28% more than MOD. So if you're looking to lose weight and get in shape more quickly, your workout regimen should be based on HIIT. Your typical day. To achieve your goal of losing at least 10 pounds a month and up to 50 pounds within 5 months, your daily diet and exercise regimen should involve intermittent fasting, a high-protein diet, and high-intensity interval training. Here's what your typical day should look like. 7 a.m. to 12 noon. Follow the 8 to 16 intermittent fasting pattern where you eat within an 8-hour window and restrict your calories for the rest of the 16 hours. So skip breakfast and take your first meal at noon. Have a snack at around 3 p.m. and dinner at around 7 p.m. Do not consume anything with calories after 8 p.m. Given this eating schedule, start your day off by taking lots of fluids. Remember that you can consume anything that doesn't have any calories, so feel free to have some tea and coffee at this time, for as long as you don't add any sugar or cream. You can either exercise in your fasted state or wait until after you've eaten, but many people prefer to work out before their first meal. According to a study published by the American College of Sports Medicine's Health and Fitness Journal, all you need is 7 minutes of HIIT per day. Their recommended workout involves the following exercises, each done for 30 seconds with 10 seconds of rest in between. Jumping jacks, wall sit, push-ups, standard crunches, step-ups, squats, triceps dips, planks, high knees, lunges, push-up with rotation, side planks. 12 noon to 8 p.m. Within your eating window, you can consume any food you like, but it's important not to overdo it. It would help if you also remember that your goal is to consume more proteins. If you're going to eat 2 meals within this 8-hour eating period, and your total protein goal for the day is approximately 105 grams, you need to make sure that each meal gives you at least 52.5 grams of protein. Here are your top choices. Chicken breast without skin, 31 grams of protein. Pork chops, 52 grams of protein. 1 can of tuna, 43 grams of protein. 1 serving of beef, 22 grams of protein. 1 serving of firm tofu, 10 grams of protein. From this list, you can portion your total grams of protein needed in a day for your weight. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. By this time, you can no longer consume any calories, but you can consume some herbal tea to help you wind down. Because sleep is essential to your weight loss goals, don't stay up later than 11 p.m. That way, your body has enough time to recover from the day's stresses and gives you enough energy to get through the same diet and exercise routine tomorrow. By following this research-based diet and exercise regimen, there's no doubt that you can lose 10 pounds in a month, and even 50 pounds in 5 months. It will involve a significant lifestyle change, but as long as you take on a positive mindset and dedicate yourself to these proven effective weight loss philosophies, you will be able to shed your excess weight, get in shape, and enjoy the perks of being in optimal health. Following our study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.